Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to speak some interesting facts about obsessive compulsive disorder. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So let's begin. OCD may affect men and women equally. Most OCD compulsions are logically related to their obsession. For instance, sufferers carry out cleaning rituals in order to rid themselves of contaminants. Obsessive compulsives are tortured by these thoughts, which they find profoundly disgusting and distressing. Intrusive thoughts or obsessions, as psychologists call them, affect everyone, but some people can't get rid of them as easily as of us. Perfectionism is one of the most common personality traits in OCD. Indeed, some researchers have described obsessive compulsives as the ultimate perfectionists. Some common compulsions that includes 1. Cleaning, repeatedly washing hands or wiping household surfaces for hours on end. 2. Checking, repeatedly questioning whether light switches are turned off or appliances are unplugged, etc. OLD is one type of OCD. Obsessive love disorder refers to a condition where one becomes obsessed with one person you think you may be in love with. You might feel the need to protect your loved ones obsessively or even become controlling of them as if they were a possession. People with family members who suffer from OCD might be predisposed to the illness. Also, as an anxiety disorder, experts believe that OCD may also be linked to levels of serotonin in the brain. Stress or illness may trigger its symptoms. The obsessions experienced by OCD sufferers can be grouped along with several common themes like common obsessions, common compulsions, etc. The difference between healthy and obsessive love is that with the latter, those feelings of infatuation become extreme, expanding to the point of becoming obsessions. Obsessive love and jealousy that is delusional is a symptom of mental health problems and is a symptom that occurs in about 0.1% of adults. Responsibility, an exaggerated sense of responsibility for their actions during OCD personality traits. OCD sufferers are driven to carry out complex rituals known as compulsions, which are triggered by obsessions. Common obsessions include fears of contamination by germs, dirt, or chemicals, flooding the house, causing a fire, or being burgled. In the US, 1 in 40 adults and 1 in 100 children face OCD. Daniel Radcliffe, Cameron Diaz, Leonardo DiCaprio, Megan Fox, and Justin Timberlake are all celebrities who have lived with OCD. According to the World Health Organization, anxiety disorders like OCD are more prevalent in developed countries than in developing countries. Cognitive behavioral therapy and medication are two ways of treating OCD. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.